Ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, it is your friendly neighborhood Mickey78681, and Happy New Year. It is January 1st, 2017. Woo! We're all alive. Most of us. Depends on your definition of living. Today we're going to go ahead and finish breaking this down. We're going to pull the back axle. We're going to take, and I'm going to leave that as one component because there's no reason to break that down. It is fine. We're going to pull the transmission, pull the clutch, pull the front tires and hubs off. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty then, so it is all the way apart. And the steering shaft was bent. Kind of expected that. You saw that in the last video that we were checking it with a straight edge. But it was actually bent underneath the frame. So I went ahead and cut that out. The brake pedal, I wasn't thinking when I did this the last time. And I welded the little leg that connects to the master cylinder straight to the pedal, instead of welding it to a flange and putting the flange on the pedal with a set screw. So I had to cut that out. That's fine. I have another one. The steering kit I'm going to have to order from EC. And tie rods, I got a buddy bringing them. And the start button I can go pick up anywhere. Other than that, I've got the grill. I'm going to go ahead and replace the hood while I'm at it, since I have one laying around. And I've got the grill to the dash supports. So, not really a whole lot of damage. Little damage created because I wasn't thinking ahead. So when we put this back together, it's going to be fully modular and easier to take apart, because this ain't going to be the last time I do this either. So, anyways, not as bad as I expected, since I flipped it at 40 miles an hour. Still got my work cut out for me. So as always, you guys, stay tuned. Please drop comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Give me a thumbs down if you thought it was bullshit. Hey, be honest about it. Alright? Let me know in the comments below if you need to see a specific part of this. I'm going to do each individual section, I guess, of this as a video. So the steering will be one video. The rear axle will be one video. How I set up the brakes will be one video. How I do the clutch will be one video. The tranny plate and the tranny installation, one video. That way I can go into depth and explain things a little better for y'all. So, yeah, as always, appreciate you watching. Deuces. Have a happy new year.